Experiencing issues updating your Suzuki's infotainment system in the UK? Update failures, particularly for maps and firmware on models like the Swift, Vitara, and S-Cross 2018 to 2021, are often due to software bugs. First, ensure your vehicle has a stable 12-volt power supply and use a FAT32 formatted USB drive. Download updates directly from the official Suzuki UK website, suzuki.co.uk, to avoid regional incompatibilities. Common error messages like "update failed" or "map data corrupted" often result from incomplete downloads, low battery, or conflicting apps like Android Auto. Try a hard reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. If issues persist, consider clearing the cache via the diagnostic mode or using Suzuki's official update tool. For weak signal areas, a firmware patch is expected by Q1 2026. If DIY attempts fail, consult a certified Suzuki dealer. To minimize future update failures, adopt a systematic approach. Always back up your current system data before initiating an update. Ensure your USB drive is reliable and properly formatted to FAT32. Where possible, use over-the-air OTA updates if your Suzuki model post-2022 supports it. The trend is shifting towards OTA updates, reducing dependency on USB. Be aware that legacy vehicle support may decrease, potentially requiring dealership overhauls in the future. Keep an eye on upcoming EU regulations aimed at standardizing update protocols by 2028. Automotive tech experts advise caution with DIY updates, suggesting backups to prevent data loss. Regularly check Suzuki UK's support resources for the latest firmware and map versions. If problems persist, seek professional assistance.